In this video, I'm going to teach you how to save a Google Forms response as PDF. If you find this video useful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it.
To begin, open your web browser and navigate to Google Forms. When you are on the Google Forms page, be sure that you are logged into your account so you can access any forms you have already created or start a new one from scratch. Once you have signed in, you will notice that you have the option to either select a pre-designed template or create a blank form. This choice depends on whether you need a structured layout that a template provides, or if you prefer the flexibility of designing your own form. Templates are great for quickly launching standard questionnaires, while blank forms offer complete creative control over every question and stylistic detail. After you have made your selection and set up the form according to your needs, it is time to focus on the responses. Locate the Responses tab on the form interface and click on it. This tab displays every answer submitted through your form and provides you with a centralized location to review the data collected. Once you are viewing the responses, direct your attention to the additional options provided. In the upper section of the responses area, you will see a menu symbolized by 3 dots. Clicking on this 3-dot menu will open up further actions that you can perform on the collected data, offering more control over what you can do next. Within this expanded menu, you will then find an option labeled Print All Responses. Selecting this option compiles every response into a single, consolidated print-friendly format, which makes it easier to review all the information at once and to prepare it for conversion into another file format. When the print options appear, you should next look for the destination setting. By clicking on destination, you will be presented with a dialog box or a selection interface where you can choose exactly where and in what format the responses should be sent. At this stage, the instructions prompt you to select Save as PDF. By choosing this option, you instruct the system to convert the print-ready view of your responses into a PDF file. The PDF format is widely recognized and valued for its versatility, security, and consistent layout across different devices and operating systems. This ensures that the document appears exactly as intended when shared with others or when printed later on. Finally, the process is completed by clicking Save. When you click Save, any prompts asking for confirmation or additional details can be confirmed quickly, and the system will then generate and store the PDF containing your responses. Following these steps ensures that your Google Forms responses are neatly transferred to a PDF file, making it simple to archive, share, or print your data as needed. This straightforward method allows you to have a portable, easily accessible record of your form submissions. Now that you know how to go from viewing responses in Google Forms to saving them as a professional PDF document, you can manage your digital information more effectively and keep your data organized for future use. Enjoy the ease and efficiency that this process brings to handling your Google Forms responses.